goals and needs, allowing us to tailor your portfolio.
What about commission-based products?
We don't sell those. We're a fiduciary obligated to act in your best interests.
So how do your management fees work?
We have a transparent fee structure so we do better when you do better. At Fisher Investments, we're clear.
Panera's packed with flavor bagel just got stacked with even more for just $7.99. Got new Asiago bagel stacks. Choose from the chicken